Welcome, guys, to today's pathway. Today's pathway is a path that allows you to enjoy the benefit of serving God. Yes, if you have been serving God in the past and you've been looking up to God for mercy on how He can help you relocate with your family, my dear, I have good news for you today. Yes, today's pathway is a way which pastors can travel, church workers can travel, youth coordinators can travel, even children coordinators can also travel. So guys, if this is what you really want to enjoy, and if you have been looking for opportunities like this, relax, you're in the right spot. And I've brought this news to you because I am happy to share this opportunity because I am a lover of God too. So guys, and you might want to watch this video to the very end. Today's breakdown is very easy because I'm going to be taking you straight to the point to organizations that are employing right now in Australia. Yes, Australia is the king of today's video. Yes, the government of Australia has opened up a pathway that can help religious workers, they're called temporary religious workers, to travel with their family expense free, like free visa sponsorship. That is what it actually means. So guys, I want you to actually watch this video, not for watching sake. Please apply immediately. It will give me joy if I hear that people have applied and are moving to go and serve God in Australia. Yes, the first thing you need to understand is the fact that this particular pathway is a pathway that allows you to travel with your family. I've said it over and over again. That's one. Number two, you must get a letter of sponsorship or an invitation letter from the religious body you want to go and work with. That is why I'm going to be sharing the organizations that are employing right now with visa sponsorship. Okay? And number two, the second thing you need to understand is that this is a full-time job. This is not a weekend job or a part-time job. These are for workers that are serving God full-time. All right? So if you have a mother that is a chorister that has been serving God full-time, please put her on this. And there's no age limits to this. Okay? Now, number three thing you need to understand is that you will need your police clearance. You also need an insurance for you to be able to travel with this pathway. Okay, so if you've not gotten police clearance, this is a time for you to consider getting it, and you also need your insurance. All right, the number fourth bracket of things that you also be needing is good experience. Yes, experience here or a qualification here doesn't mean academic qualification, but if you have a paperwork to back up your claims that you've been working for the past years under a religious body, this is the time to use it. If I were you, I will speak to my senior pastor or any person that can give me a letter backing me up, showing that I have been working in the church, in the religious body for a number of time. This will give you an edge over every other applicant, all right? Another thing you need to consider is the fact that this is only open for those that are outside Australia. And if you are within Australia, these chances are slim, but if you're outside Australia, you have a high chance for this effort not to be in vain. Please get a good CV and a letter of interest that is showing that you have work experiences under the religious bodies, and not just that you are interested in traveling to Australia and how useful you're going to be to the government of Australia and to the religious body you're going to be working with. That are the two things that you need vitally after you've gotten every other thing I've said before. Okay, so get a good CV that states that you have work experiences or certifications, in fact, that shows that you have been a church worker. All right, if you're just seeing my video for the first time, my name is Ellauche. On this channel, we believe in being the best we can be. Yes, we are out here today because it is sunny and everybody loves the weather now, and it is very fun. So guys, I brought you guys out here for you guys to enjoy the weather with us, all right? On this channel, I share opportunities that allows you travel seamlessly, effortlessly, and in fact, very affordably. So guys, you might consider subscribing, and not just that, hit the notification bell. So if you're part of this family, you're welcome back, guys. I love you guys, and I thank you for your likes and comments, your shares, and everything you guys have been doing. Thank you so much, and I love you guys. All right, so guys, I'm going to be sharing my screen with you, showing you the organizations that we need to apply, and let's do this together. Let's go. So the first website we'll be talking about today, guys, remember it's church bodies, and many of them are the headquarters, so you need to contact the different ministries under them. For example, these are different ministries, and some of them even have schools, so it's best you send them an email or probably give them a ring if you can. This is the Anglican Church of Australia. Now when you come here, you can search for schools. Can you see it? They have schools, they have different communities where you can get jobs from. All right, that's the first one. Now let's move to the next one. The next website or the next church is called Churches of Christ, and this is a joint body. Each of these churches I am bringing to you are churches rule over branches and stuff. So this particular one has a foster home. They also have a care home. They also have other careers under this particular church. You can see they have current vacancies. If you click on this, you can search. Let's see it together. All right, can you see secretary? Can you see personal care worker? Can you see the environmental service worker, registered nurses, and housing officers too? We also have home care administrator, HR, and so on and so forth. Things you can do under the religious worker visa. As you can see, there's also room for senior pastors, and it goes on and on like that. Now, I want to take your mind to something. Remember, you're coming to work as a full-time worker. Don't believe that you will come and you will run away, because you have 2 years to stay in Australia, courtesy of this sponsorship. All right, so make sure that you have that mindset that you're coming to actually work in the vineyard of God. Okay, now back to where we need to see some things. You can see corporate roles here too, as a youth worker, even as a Sunday school attendant, Sunday school teacher, anything. They also offer volunteering positions, and they also offer traineeship. All right, so just come here, explore it, and find out the one you can do. Contact them and either send them an email. Even as a student, they have student placements here. So this particular church is a very big church that you need to look into. Now let's move to the next organization. Next website we are going to is the Baptist Church in Australia, and they have so many bodies where you can get job. For example, you can see Baptist Care, you can see Baptist Mission Australia, you can also see Baptist World Aid, the insurance services, and also financial services. So this doesn't only cover the pastors and stuff. All right, this covers so many job opportunities. At this point, you need a recommendation letter of your pastor or anybody that you are working under. Of course, it's going to be a pastor, or if you're a pastor, you need maybe a general overseer's recommendation letter. Send it alongside with your CV to their website, and I'm sure you're going to be having a good news sometime. All right, I pray you have a good news. That is my earnest desire for you. Okay, now look at this. I just want to open this website, because if you're in the healthcare care, it should be your goal, right? If you're in the financial sector, financial services and insurance, you should be looking into them. Scroll down, you're going to see career, volunteering, and donation. Of course, for the purpose of this video, we are not doing volunteering this time around. We are doing the career one. So you click on it, it will load. Just give it some time. All right, it says working at Baptist Care means being part of something bigger, taking on fulfilling and rewarding work, and making a significant impact in the lives of many. We invite you to join us. So these are job opportunities, nurses, care workers. In fact, all other opportunities are also here. Guys, I wouldn't want to waste our time. Please, let's make sure that we explore these opportunities and submit our CVs. Okay, so on this particular website, what you need to do is just come under membership. This is an agency, more like a mission agency that connects so many churches to employers and employees, as in it's a connecting agency. When you go down, you will see so many agencies. You will see so many organizations, sorry, because you have Bible colleges and also local churches where you can work. The best thing for you to do at this point, because as far as I'm concerned, it's a lot, okay? All you need to do is find out the one you feel you want to work with. Probably, for example, this is help a child, that has to do with healthcare and stuff. This one is a particular church. This is a church, Unique Ministries. This is a church, and you want to work with the church directly, then that's fine, okay? So send them an email with a letter stating how much you are willing to work with them and the value you are going to be bringing to them as an employee, okay? So guys, I think I'll just end this here because there are loads and loads of organization. I don't want to bore you guys. All I want to hear in the comment section is I have applied, guys. I have applied. Remember, you need a letter of recommendation from your pastor or your body of whatever that is ruling your body, whether it's a pastor, a reverend, whatever that is ruling the body of church that you belong to. If it's the youth ministry that you are under, you need a youth coordinator's reference letter or recommendation letter. All right, don't forget guys, you need a very good CV for this particular application. If you are still confused on how to go about it, send me an email at ellauchegroup@gmail.com. all right. If you find it difficult to apply having watched this video, please don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section, and remember to like this video. It helps the algorithm to take it to those that actually need it. Remember, this is a free opportunity for you to explore and to relocate with your family. All right, so don't miss out on this. Share this video to your loved ones. In fact, share to your enemies too. In fact, as a child of God, you're not supposed to have an enemy. Remember, you're supposed to have an enemy. All right, so guys, and I'll see you on my next video. I pray it is sunny like this again, and I will take you guys somewhere lovely. Mwah. Have a good day. Don't forget to always be the best you can be at all times. Signing out now. Mwah. Bye.